Hello everyone! Thanks for checking out this video. I'm going to quickly show you how to create a board, which Trello is all about here. I'm already signed in to Trello. This can be in the app or online. You can click the plus button up top or create new board. Inside here you can get pretty fancy with, say, what you want the background of your board to look like, be a color or a photo, and then give a title to your board. I'm going to get super fancy here and call this Video Board 1, and then click Create Board. Once you get to this page, you'll notice one of the first things it asks you to do is add a list. That is what a board is. A board is, say, one or more lists with items within it. To keep things simple, I'm just going to go ahead and call this list my to-do, because I want to turn my to-do list virtually, and then click Add List. Then I'm going to call this a done list, and what I'm going to do is add a card. This is like, say, an item in like your bullet point list. Record video for creating a board, and then I'll click Add. And the fun part here is you can move your cards across different lists. So, hello, I'm done now. So that's it. Pretty simple. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.